Meet the C-130 Hercules, the legendary American military transport aircraft. First flight in 1954, entered service in 1956. Manufacturer, Lockheed Martin, United States of America. Please subscribe to my channel. Empty weight, 34,000 kilograms, and maximum takeoff weight, 70,300 kilograms. Maximum payload, 20,000 kilograms. Powered by 4 Allison T56 turboprop engines, each producing 4,910 horsepower. Range up to 3,800 kilometers without refueling, and top speed 592 kilometers per hour. Capable of short takeoffs and landings, making it a military airlift icon for over 60 years.